This is our day 4 at Hero MotoCorp YIP. So we were given a task that we had to find our real life problems and we had to innovate something as a solution for it.
So we are working on a model. We have our 2D design ready for a spike wheel. Now we are converting it into a 3D animation model.
The inspiring collaborators decided to make the Adaptix, which was a smart surface adaptive vehicle. But behind this lies a really difficult story. We had tons of problems and the first confusion was deciding which one to solve. The biggest challenge we faced was that we had to incorporate the land mobility and the mobility in one specific vehicle.
I'm working on the logo for our project that we have chosen, and right now we've come up with something and we're going to give this life by animating it further.
After that, we decided on a common problem that you all face almost daily, the mobility in congested areas. You all know that how difficult is it to walk or even drive through a congested area where people are so impatient that they drive their vehicles in wrong lanes, and it causes a lot of chaos and frustration.
This is day 5 at the Heroes Young Innovators program. We are group 1 and as a group we are solving the problem of overcrowding our parking spaces and mobility majorly. So our product is a convertible car that can be divided into two-wheelers according to the requirements of the people. The challenges we are facing is designing the car and the two-wheelers, connecting them, the roof and the foldable doors. Our car provides mobility to people according to their needs. So we are connecting it with an iron electromagnetic puzzle connection.
We are working upon an electric luggage, means we can make any luggage electric, whether it's kept in our home or wherever we buy it. We can just put it on a platform, a small platform that we are making. It's like electric, and then we put our luggage, it can be of any size, and we can take it anywhere, but it's like electric, so it would help us rather than carrying it everywhere.
We designed Uniroll, a vehicle that only has one wheel, and it is so compact, so comfortable. It is so convenient in crowded areas. So here are us prototype, and right now we are making a headlight to paste it here.
I'm making it seat and the headlight and the side view mirrors.
Tomorrow is the big day and it's going to be hard for us, but we're almost done with our presentation. The design is also almost finished. My contribution is that I'm handling the business model, the stats, showing why this problem is absolutely very important to fix.
I'm feeling excited as well as a bit nervous. Today we are going to present our idea in front of all the parents and judges. Let's see how it goes.
As it's the big day, we are standing somewhere between nervousness and confidence for the presenting our ideas. I think we're pretty prepared since we have been working our heads off since so many days.
Just these 5-6 days should not end here. These young innovators, they should go ahead.
Thank you to Hero for giving that platform and to the mentors.
Round of applause for the team here for the innovator program. They are very young.
हम में है हीरो।